In today's video, I'm going to show you how to delete your ElevenLabs account quickly and permanently. If you no longer need the service or you simply want to close your account and remove your data, this step-by-step guide will walk you through the full process in just a few minutes. And before we begin, if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple how-to videos just like this one. Alright, let's jump right in. First, sign into your ElevenLabs account. You'll need to be logged in before you can access the account settings and start the deletion process. Once you're inside your dashboard, look to the top right corner of the screen and click your profile icon. A small menu should appear, and from there, select Settings. Now, you'll be on the Settings page. This is where ElevenLabs keeps your account details, preferences, and security options. Take a moment to make sure you're in the correct account, especially if you use more than one email address or login. After that, scroll all the way down to the bottom of the settings page. The delete option is usually placed at the bottom, so it's not easy to click by accident. When you reach the bottom, look for the red delete account button. Since this is a permanent action, the button is highlighted in red to make it very clear that it will remove your account. Click that button to continue. At this point, ElevenLabs will ask you to confirm the deletion. To verify that it's really you, enter the email address associated with your account. Make sure you type it exactly as it appears on your account, because even a small typo could prevent the deletion from going through. Once you've entered the correct email address, carefully review everything one last time. If you're completely sure that you want to permanently delete your ElevenLabs account, click Delete Account again to finalize the process. After that, your account will be permanently deleted according to ElevenLabs' account removal process. And that's it. You've now learned how to delete your ElevenLabs account step by step. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment if you want more tutorials like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.